National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, Northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Valley Forge, or 11 miles northeast of West Chester, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Yadden, Conshohocken, Swarthmore, Royersford, Narberth, East Lansdowne, Morris Park, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Radnor Township, Great Idyll, Brumel, Newtown Square, Roxborough, and King of Prussia. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 319 and 336. Northeast Extension near mile marker 21. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 339. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The current time is